Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. Today we're doing an unboxing of a purchase I made via eBay. And this is a 2018 Libertad. I'll pull that out of there. Pull that out of there. This is the Antique Finish. Let's see if I can cut this. Okay, there we go. There we go. And there is the 1 ounce Antique Finish Libertad. That is a nice finish. You know, I don't know for sure, but something that's kind of neat about this finish is I would think it would hide minor details, you know, little scuffing or scratching, or I would think it would hide it better than, for sure, better than a proof, but even better than the regular bullion finish. So my intent is to get all the different finishes of the Libertad and then do a video on the different finishes. So I know there's antique, there's the bullion, there's proof and reverse proof, at least those 4. So here's part of those 4 in one essential piece. All right, thanks for watching.